Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
And what? Yeah. Alright. What's up, Bomb Squad? This is DC Kool-Aid and
Nick.
And we got some, what, Nick?
Zaxby'S.
Let's get a thumbnail.
We got
Let's get a thumbnail.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you about to get the whole... I'm trying to do the little paper bag thing. He about to...
Because I don't have paper bags.
Which one? What you gonna do? Oh, you just gonna open it? Yeah, go ahead and... I don't know which one. Y'all got the same thing?
I got 3, he got 4.
Alright.
Oh.
You got... They can't see that. You got tilt it. There you go. It's on. Alright. We got some Zaxby'S. Mama can't, you know, she not feeling well, so it's just me and Nick. I think this is... You said you got 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, this yours. Say hey, y'all, baby.
Wait, did I get chicken tenders or chicken?
Chicken tenders.
Yeah, this is chicken, so this is yours.
That's tenders. That's tenders, baby. That's how they look. Pick it up. Do like this. That's,
oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
That's tenders. They ain't give us no straws. Oh, don't say they ain't giving no straws. Are you for real? They opened up Zaxby'S like about 3 weeks ago. About 3 weeks. And we never had a... They opened up a Zaxby'S. Uh-oh, hold on. My camera was tilting on the thing. Sorry about that. They opened up a Zaxby'S and they opened up a Sonic. Yeah, so they opened up a Sonic and Manassas. They actually got 2 in Manassas. One way on the other side and one that's closer this side. And they opened up a Zaxby'S out in South Ride and Chantilly out 50. But, so we will only eat Zaxby'S when we go down North Carolina, Georgia, that direction. So now we don't have to wait to go far to eat Zaxby'S. So, Nick, what you got, Nick? Hold on. I think this... My ranch. It's her stuff. What you get?
I got 4 chicken tenders, some fries, and I guess the signature piece of bread. It's kind of soggy right now.
Excuse me, sorry. Hey, y'all.
I got, what you got to drink?
You got 4 tender flavors.
This mine.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
It's kind of small.
I thought that was mine. Oh, that's yours. My bad. I thought I put it back in the bag. Look, she done came over. You saw, man, how you moving the bag? she gave y'all the peace sign.
I don't know who it is.
So I got some barbecue. Is it barbecue? No. Sweet heat. I eat traditional wings. I just love traditional wings. So, and I got fries. I got some Zaxby's ranch. I didn't know it come with it. That's why they say you gotta pay 25 cents extra for the sauce.
You don't want it? You don't want that ranch?
I mean, do you want it?
No.
You got Zaxby's sauce. And I'm drinking strawberry lemonade.
I'm drinking tea.
He drinking
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea. Alright, so, oh, you know what?
No.
You got ketchup.
Oh,
Oh, shoot. My bad. My bad.
Lord, bless his hands that prepared the food for us. Oh, Lord. I pray this food is nourished to our bodies, oh Lord. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Oh, I just need one thing, babe. Never mind. It's over there. I hear it.
What do you want? What do you want?
I'm good.
I know you know ketchup. You know you good.
I know, right?
But she ain't eating ketchup for all right?
I put it in the door last.
It ain't in there.
Yeah, I know it's hard to keep ketchup in here.
Charles will eat ketchup.
We can't keep ketchup. We get ketchup, we gotta hide it. For some reason, Charles and Brittany got, you know what? For Christmas, let's get them some ketchup. Go to Sam's. You know, Sam's got that big, you want to get it?
Nothing. I want Chick-fil-A sauce for Christmas.
You want who?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, I know that would have been bomb. We got Chick-fil-A sauce in there. How many people like Chick-fil-A sauce?
I don't like Zaxby's sauce.
So it's not really sweet. People
Yeah.
think it's like.
Chick-fil-A sauce is bomb on those waffle fries. We can get that Friday.
On anything.
Remind me. When we go down, we'll see if which come have a game. We get it. At least they didn't give me a lot of fries.
I have a bunch.
You got a whole lot. This is so good.
Baby, don't forget your veggies, girl.
Oh yeah.
Hey Nick, that thing I gave you to smell better. The little thing I gave you upstairs, I got the battery for.
Oh, that's why I didn't turn on.
Huh?
That's why I didn't turn on.
Yes, baby, that's why I didn't come on.
If y'all got a Zaxby's, what do y'all get? Like, what do y'all eat? Do they sell burgers?
No, we just have chicken.
Just chicken?
You still chicken sandwiches?
I'm gonna try it.
Zaxby's chicken sandwich?
I'm gonna try their chicken sandwich. So everything is chicken there.
Chicken
They need to
fries
put
and
one
stuff.
out here though.
All you gotta do is you want to taste the chicken sandwich, wrap up a chicken sandwich on that bread. That's all it is.
No, but don't they have different flavors?
Sausage, not chicken.
You say sauces.
Yeah, sausage.
You wanna try the ranch with your fries?
I don't like sauce.
You just lied again.
Oh, I mean, not like. I like. I don't like
What
all
sauce
types of sauce.
What
So
sauce you like?
it's really just barbecue sauce and Chick-fil-A sauce.
I think we should go get some Chick-fil-A sauce and stock them.
Because at first I didn't like Chick-fil-A sauce, and then I tried it again.
On the waffle fries, they bomb.
I like them. I like them on everything.
You ate it with the waffle fries? Yeah. That sounds like a winter Friday. We gonna treat ourselves Friday. I don't really eat their chicken that much though. But something about Chick-fil-A is salty. Their chicken sandwich be salty. I don't know, you might like it, but what you eat? Chicken, just a chicken sandwich?
Oh yeah, I eat the chicken sandwich and fries.
Yeah. So they used to sell chicken salad on a sandwich, but they stopped that a couple years ago.
Chicken salad on a sandwich?
Yeah, it's chicken salad. And they also used to sell a salad. It was Asian salad that had that bosom. How you say that salt? Oh, she gone. I thought she was right there. it's a dressing they used to have. It started with a B. I can't remember how you said it.
Asian.
Bomb something. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Drop it in the comments. Ooh. You ain't eating it with the barbecue sauce?
I don't know.
You gotta try it. I think it's one in here. She gonna make me try it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not barbecue sauce. I don't know what
It
this
looks
is.
like liquidy.
What is yours?
Yeah, I look at barbecue sauce.
Mine, that one, that.
Or
Oh yeah,
is
that's barbecue sauce. Whatever that is.
looks like hot sauce maybe.
Let me try it. French fry. Nick, that's real barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna try with the chicken.
Yeah, too.
That's some good barbecue sauce. That barbecue sauce got McDonald's barbecue sauce beat.
It tastes like the
One in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Some McDonald's barbecue sauce in that drawer, baby. You want that?
No.
Babe, what's the name of that salad dressing Chick-fil-A used to have with that Asians, it started with a B.
Balsamic?
Yeah, balsamic. There you go. I think I said it right. They stopped selling that. That's salad.
They put too much like pepper or salt, whatever, on these fries, cause it's like.
Is that blue Koolaid? Sorry, y'all. We've been playing Snatch Parking Spaces.
No, it's fine.
This is so good. So, in order us to get Zaxby's, we don't have to drive hours. This is actually
Like 30 minutes away.
about a 30-minute ride. And then they got a super Walmart down there too. What? Uh-oh. That means something. This is good, y'all. Y'all want some? Let me give y'all a piece. Look at my hands. Look at Mackie. What happened? You dropped it? Where you drop it at? That's the only thing. They don't have a Sonic out here. We gotta drive. That's a 45-minute.
No.
to get to. This is a half an hour. Only thing we got around here. McDonald's,
Popeyes,
Burger King,
Buffalo Wild Wings,
KFC.
Taco Bell. And then we got little like diner jumps, like like Joe's Cafe and stuff.
Wendy's, Chipotle's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King. And you eat that so much you don't even want it no more. So this is a treat. What would you eat? This or Sonic? You make it hard. I like Sonic because it's quicker. I mean, they had a drive-through, so we didn't have to wait. But then I like this too. But see, Sonic, you got variety stuff.
Yeah.
You ain't got stick on chicken. They got some everything.
That's what I was thinking. Burgers, hot dogs. I mean, to be honest, I really just prefer homemade food. Like this is good every once in a while.
Well, we don't eat out that much.
Yeah.
We don't eat out. We used to, remember? Like a long time ago. We just stop and get something to eat, But we barely eat out and do, Mom wasn't feeling well, so we ain't want her in the kitchen. That's what we do normally, like when she don't feel well. We do a quick stop somewhere and just wrap it up and just be done with it. But we try not to eat out. But somebody said, let's go to Red Robin. Is it Red Robin? Red Lobster? Who got the biscuits?
Oh, Red Lobster.
You go, huh?
Well, Mommy, can you make those here?
Yeah, but if you can go get them like right now, because they're hot.
They will be hot here too.
But they ain't done. Say ain't nothing here. If that's the fastest way you can get. Somebody say, come on, let's go get some Red Lobster. You gonna say, no, I'm good. Okay. Alright, we'll see. I'm putting to the test.
Now, if I haven't eaten,
No, you said
yes, like, cause if I haven't eaten, and then
you
you're
like celery sticks.
see,
You like celery sticks?
Mhm.
No, it's under there. Like way under there. Alright, somebody said let's go to King Buffet. You ain't had that in a long time.
no,
You go to King's Buffet?
it really just depends. Cause now, like, I don't really feel like going nowhere. So, school, practice, come home.
I got a reaction video. I looked at it today. Hey y'all, I'm gonna have Nick react to a video he did when he was 12. I looked at it today while I was at work because it popped up on my thing, on my feed, and I was like, the new Nick and the old Nick. You gonna laugh? 'Cause I was cracking up laughing at work because of what you were saying. We're gonna do a reaction video. We're gonna get it in sometime this weekend.
I think I'm full.
You full?
I think I'll save this.
You ain't gonna save it. This thing gonna freeze in the refrigerator.
No, I eat my leftovers.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Okay. You want another celery stick? Some healthy greenery. You want the rest of these fries? I ain't gonna touch them.
I mean, save them for later.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Take them out. Lisa said you're supposed to eat the bread. I try to stay away from this.
I mean, the bread is cool when it like first comes out, but after when it's soggy and stuff.
Yeah. You want the
Are
celery?
you gonna throw this away?
Yeah. You want the celery?
No, celery does not look amazing.
You alright, babe?
Oh, let me look. I mean, we can use my clothes.
Oh yeah. Cause I gotta put the stuff. Alright guys, that was our, you want this celery?
Nothing.
That was our, you want ranch? You might want that later. Zaxby'S
Review.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
We're gonna call it Mukbang. That was good.
Yeah.
It was good. I had, well, how many wings I had? I had 5 wings. I'm done. I'm going to sit down and play some video games, edit some videos, and thank y'all for watching.
Yes, see. Ooh, I know Spanish.
Huh?
I mean, I don't know too much Spanish, but I know some Spanish. You think?
So what?
Some Spanish.
What you know?
Well, it's like hard because you know what I mean. Like Spanish, like talking, like you have to like ask me a question and then I'd be like,
What you think about the Bomb Squad?
hold on, I gotta think about this one.
You gonna talk some Spanish? My Spanish friends don't tell me, hold on, they gotta think.
Well, because they already know it. I don't know how to say bomb or squad in Spanish,
So
so I'm just gonna say like,
tell them something nice. Tell them
I don't
something
think
nice.
we've gotten that far. Hold on, let me think.
What you know in Spanish?
I know like greetings,
Say it.
basic commands, basic like conversation, like hola, mi amo Nicholas, and then you'd be like, hola, mi amo DC Koolaid, and then I'd be like, ¿Cómo estás? And you'd be like, muy bien.
Mm-hmm.
You too. And then I'd be like, bien. And then you might ask me, what time is it? And then I'm like, son las 8:y
It's 45, 8:45.
Cuarto. Yeah, cuarto. And then you're like, gracias, hasta luego, and I'm like, adios.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then I know the dates. I can say the date today, like, SL.
The day tonight. Nueve.
es el 9 de octubre de 2000 de 10 de las 1019. Or I don't know, but it's like 2019. 2019.
Okay. Okay. I told you that in the way there, huh?
No, I already knew that.
I know a little. Now I just know because you know when you work with people, and I'll be like, how do you say? And you have Spanish friends though. You can actually, they can actually help you out. Just tell them to talk to you and then tell you what they say.
Yeah.
You pretty much can pick it up because you're still young. You can get it. All right, guys, we're gonna close this.
Yeah.
We went to Spanish.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. We're ready though.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, smash that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this video.
Comment.
Comment down below. And tell us what you like at Zaxby's, or do you have a Zaxby's, or do you have to travel like us 30 minutes out the way to go to Zaxby's? At first we had to travel a couple hours, but we didn't do that unless we was on a trip. But you know what? You ever remember Cookout?
Oh yeah,
we need one of them.
Yeah, that was.
They do have one in
good.
Fredericksburg, but that's almost like an hour and a half road trip
Just
for Cookout. That's crazy, but that's where the tattoo shop at. So that's when we get Cookout. But if y'all have a Cookout, let us know. We don't have one of them out here yet. But anyway, we gotta travel, like I said. What we gotta do? What they gotta do, Nick?
Smash that like button for me.
Just smash it. All right, y'all. This DC Kool-Aid and
Nick.
And we out.
Peace.
Yeah. DC Koolaid and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, tanks, and vlogging, man. We a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K. Best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC Koolaid, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot, smash that like button. Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad. Hey!